Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are looking for a cozy camping blanket, this one from Cocoon is the perfect thing for you.
Premium Puffy camping blanket. It is lightweight, packable, and ready to keep you warm on all of your adventures. It has this PrimaLoft insulation, so it offers a constant warmth without having bulk and weight. It is crafted from ripstop polyester, so it is water resistant, highly durable, and is easy to clean, which is perfect for whether you are at the beach, camping, whatever adventure you have planned. It is big enough to cozy up in, but packs down nice and small. And my favorite thing about it is this magnetic clasp that turns it into the coziest cape to wear around your shoulders. You're going to want to use this whether you're camping or not.
Whether I was by the fire or sleeping, I was so cozy because of this blanket. I absolutely love it. I think everyone should get one, and that's my point of view.